Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watcher. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, you can see that South Carolina is clear right now. Nothing's going on. If we go ahead and zoom out, and we talk about the entire United States. I left that on. Hold on. Turn that off. All right. So if we go ahead and look at for the entire United States, look at the winter weather radar. You can see that we do have some snow over here inside the high elevations over here in the Rockies. Some rain over here hitting places like Seattle. We do have some potential flash flooding going on over here in Iowa, the Dakotas, and Minnesota as well. Some severe storm potentially on the bottom side inside of Nebraska with some rain over here as well inside the central U.S. Ice and some rain as well. We may even have some rain off the coast of Carolinas and the eastern, and obviously inside the Atlantic, the eastern U.S., and to the south of Florida. If we go ahead and look at our cloud cover right now, not really too much. We do have some little cloud cover up there in the upstate, and some also down here towards the coast as well. But it's not a whole lot, just some scattered cloud cover. It shouldn't really last too long. Here's a little map that kind of shows it. If you go ahead and push this forward a little bit, you can see that it's gonna kind of dissipate a little bit. It's not not going to be there for a whole while. And then there could be a time of day to where we're all clear, and then there might not be any cloud cover. But here's around 12 hours from now, and you can start to see that kind of like a little line of clouds decides it wants to try and push off to the east, just a line. Here's our current temperature: 64 in Columbia, 68 in Charleston, 66 in Savannah, 64 in Myrtle Beach, 64 in Florence, Sumter, and Greenville, 66 in Anderson and Greenwood. Here's our high temperatures for today: 85 Greenville, 86 in Spartanburg, 85 inside of Rock Hill, 79 in Charleston, 81 in Hilton Head Island, 76 Myrtle Beach, 85 Florence and Sumter, and then 85 in Aiken. Here's our peak sustained winds for today. Peak sustained winds around, gonna be kind of slow today, around a good 3 to 5, maybe even 6 miles an hour today. And along the coast, it's gonna be around 8 to 10 miles an hour. So not really too much wind today. Wind gusts, pretty much the same situation, around a good 15 miles an hour or so. Maybe 14, 15 along the coast, and then everyone else around 7 to 10 or so miles an hour. Forecast precipitation for the next 24 hours. It says that maybe a couple of sprinkles potentially possible up there. Some isolated sprinkles up there. But they don't really say. But it's not really going to be a lot, if any, falls at all. And that's why we do have a TSTM, because those little sprinkles could potentially be bigger. Potentially, and they may try to produce some thunderstorms as well today. So watch out for some rumbles of thunder, obviously, inside the light green. Here we also have our excessive rainfall. No excessive rainfall is expected. Let's go ahead and look at the models and see what they say for today. We're going ahead and push it forward. Again, the HRRR has those thunderstorms over here at around 6 o'clock up here in North Carolina. It's just a matter if they come down or not. So, honestly, there could be no rain that falls up here at all. Just determines where the showers decide they want to be at. So you could either get sprinkles of rain, you can get a thunderstorm, or you can just get nothing if you're inside this top little region right here. But other than that, that's about it. So hopefully everyone has a great Tuesday. I'll be back 9 o'clock p.m. tonight. Make sure that you are there. Ask questions. Ask for specific forecasts. It does not matter. Everyone have a fantastic Tuesday.